Hello everyone, my name's Kevin Butt, Executive Director for the Iowa PAS, and I want to welcome you to this year's 2021 Iowa PAS Conference. The goal of this video is to show you how to access the online learning system that's being provided to us this year through Indian Hills Community College. It's fairly straightforward, fairly easy, but wanted to just do a video to kind of help you with that. So, the website to access it is going to be www.indianhills.edu/2021 PAS. When you type that in, hit enter, this will bring you up to the login page. Your username is going to be your first name dot last name at PAS. And this information will be emailed out to each student. Your advisor will also have this information as well. Your password is going to be a 9-digit password that's going to have a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. That is part of the password requirements for Indian Hills system, so we have to abide by that. So your password will also be provided to you via email, as well as your advisor will also have it. Thing to keep note is know the difference between a capital letter O and a 0. So once you plug in your information, you click in the login. It's going to log you in, and in the upper right hand corner you're going to see a section called My Courses. These are the events that you are signed up for to participate in. Various events have various different components, so each one might look a little bit differently. But to access a course, so like I will go into the agricultural sales contest. In here we're going to see here's the information, as well as when the time comes, when if there is an exam, the exam will appear when it needs to. If you have a presentation topic that is on a timed release, so much like impromptu speaking, or livestock has a current events discussion, any of those timed events, they will show up at their assigned time on this page. In case you get off this page, is typically on the left hand side you're going to see a link over here that's going to say instructions and written exam, or written exam, case study, anything like that. If you click on it, that's going to bring you back to here. Now, if you need to submit something, so like for the Ag Sales Contest, participants can submit their materials ahead of time, like a brochure or anything that they're going to use as part of their presentation. All you have to do is come down to where it says Submit Materials, click on the link, and then you can browse to your computer. Normally, most everyone will be going to browse my computer, find your file, and select it, upload it. You can put in some comments if you want to, but by and large, we're not going to look at the comment section. So once you attach the file or the files, you can hit submit, and that's going to upload it into the system. When the time comes before that contest, we will go in, we will download the materials, and get that sent to the judges ahead of time. So key thing is make sure you get your materials uploaded plenty of time in advance. My advice would be get it at least 24 hours in advance. So what you will also find in a lot of the areas where there's presentation schedules that are being done via Zoom, we have those also posted on this page, so you'll be able to see when your scheduled presentation time is, as well as the Zoom link for it. So all this information will also be emailed out to you as well, but we're trying to make this as easy as possible for you. So to get back to the main page, so to jump to another contest area, is in the upper left hand corner you're going to see a link that says My Hills. If you click on that, that's going to bring you back to that home page, and then you can click on another contest. So right now the livestock overall is we have the presentations time set, the exam, case studies, and all of that will appear at their scheduled time. So hopefully this helps everyone. When you're ready to log off the system, in the upper right hand corner of the system you're going to notice there's a little on-off button. You click on that, that's going to log you out. To get back into it, once again, it's going back to that same website, indianhills.edu/2021 PAS. So hopefully this helps you. If there's any questions, please contact your advisor first. Your advisor will know what to do, and if not, they will reach out to me. Thank you very much.